you out of this and say nyem oge. Only M can represent this. Let's move on from here. Another example we have here is my. This time around, we've looked at me. We're looking at I. We're looking at my here. Is my bag. Is my bag. In Igbo, it is obo apam, the same M representing my here. Further example is mine. Now we're looking at mine. Remember, we're talking about I, me, my, mine. It is mine. Obo nkem. Nke here is talking about referring to something that belongs to you. Obo nkem is mine, possessive. We'll move on from here. And we are still looking at the pronouns. But this time around, second person pronoun is what we're considering. What are they? You, you are, yours. There are more actually. But let's limit ourselves to these three. These three are represented